Yo, what's up guys, it's Sean, and I know guys, it's been a while since we actually posted, letting y'all know that videos are coming out soon, so stay tuned. Oh yeah guys, and I know guys, like, yo, where is Sean and Herson? Why haven't they posted, man? Like, I know guys, we need to post more often, man. Oh, anyways, I'm just letting y'all know that we still here. We have not forgot about you too, and you already know videos are coming soon, so stay tuned. Wait, y'all hear that? Yo guys, I don't know what's going on, but I think Herson's in the living room. Actually, hey, son. Let's go check up on her son.
I'm gonna get it. Oh no, let's go. Oh no. Oh no, let's go. Let's go. Where's Messi? Man, what the heck, guys?
What consequences to saying the N-word?
I'm gonna play nothing. I'm gonna play nothing.
Man, what the heck are you doing, Herson?
Hey man, let me jump my game, you know what I'm saying?
Man, where you been at, Herson? Where you been at? Why haven't you posted her song?
Man, you're right. I should be posting. You're right. Anywho,
Special surprise for all y'all. Today, guess what we're doing today? We are playing the Wii.
Yo! Where did this come from?
that's right.
We're playing the Wii. And Sean, I gotta tell you something.
What, Herson?
You know, guys, the Wii goes way back. This TV, they just can't connect to the Wii. The Wii don't got HDMI cable. Nah, sucker. I got the 3 yellow, white, and red cables. The 3 red cables. And you plug in the old TV. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So, all that being said, I ordered an Amazon package. And this package.
What did you get, Herson?
Yeah, I got an HDMI cable. In fact, I actually ordered this like a week ago, and I saved this package just for y'all. I still haven't opened it. See that? Still haven't opened it.
Dang.
But me and Sean finna open it right now. Well, I'll tell you what I got.
I don't believe it till I see it.
Ooh.
What the heck is that?
Nacho chip.
I like
Hey, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Alright.
If you know, you know. Hey, over the hedge, man. That's from over the hedge.
Yeah,
That's
chip.
from over the hedge.
I remember when he had the nachos and he opened the bag, like, and then it was all cheese and it was crazy.
If y'all haven't heard of Over the Hedge, y'all missing out.
Boom. Alright, so guys, this is inedible. Alright.
Yo, what the heck?
yo guys, looky. Yeah, give me a
Yo, it actually
That's a killer HDMI cable too, man. You know what I'm saying? We finna plug this Wii U and play.
Yo, let me touch that. Let me see this. Bro, what the heck? Smells like HDMI. And it smells like 4K. Boy, technically it's not 4K, but 180p.
It smells like
Hey.
HP. Let me see in the camera. Steady. There it is.
Yeah, right there. That is very nice. And right here, got another cable connected in HDMI within the HDMI within the HDMI.
Yeah, you be the
Check
one.
me out. If y'all know this. So what happened was, guys.
I'm setting this up.
Yeah, Herson's gonna set that up, and I'm gonna explain y'all how we got this Wii, man. And me and Herson have ways. We went to the Swap Man. Yeah, Swap Man, bro, actually has almost like the best things to get off price, man. And like everything like you want, like games and stuff, it's like less, way less, cost less. And all I'm saying is that as soon as I got that Switch, I was like, oh! Bro, and actually guys, let me tell you a little story. So me and her son actually had a Wii.
We had a white Wii.
We had a white Wii.
Yeah.
And we had a white Wii doing a yard sale, and my dad said, "Sell everything."
Tell him what you did.
It was not my fault, right? It kind of was. It actually was my fault, but it was also my dad's. But my dad said, "Sell everything." And bro, me and her son had a whole Wii, a whole white Wii, like the OG Wii, and we had 2 controllers. We had games on it. We had Wii Sports Resorts.
My mama gonna kill me. Look at this dude.
For $10.
Bro, I can't believe you sold for $10, Sean.
For $40. Yeah, we got Wii for $40. But dude, hey man,
Oh, Sean actually works.
I sold it for $10.
Yo.
I wasn't there. Yo, this looks so G.
My challenge is back.
Yo.
Let's get started.
Dang. Yo.
Let's pick it. Let's take this black one. Black shirt.
Gorilla? Yo! How did they know? How did they know that this man's a gorilla, man? How did they know? How did they know?
I don't know, bro.
They already knew her song. They knew her song.
Why is his name Gorilla?
Oh no. Hers getting a mustache?
Yep. Hey, man.
Hey, bro! I'm actually growing that. That one right there. I'm growing that.
Sean, we're growing this.
What? No, that was you. That was definitely you.
I say it gets big. I say it's small. I say about.
Oh. I say you go the white one. The one that looks like gray.
Yeah.
Cause that is your color.
I agree. Ooh.
Oh, nice.
There's alright, I gotta put quit.
Wait. Oh yeah. Save and quit. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's what you have me. I saw just made her song. Look at, there it is.
Yo.
Yeah. I'm wearing dark blue too.
Why you are wearing dark blue?
Yeah.
Like this. I say like this. Wait. Yeah. Oh shoot. Wait. Hold up.
Should I just go to your hair?
Yeah.
I bet. Now I gotta change your eyebrows.
Check me out.
Hey, let me see your eyebrows, Sean. Let me see. Like, don't have a mustache, so
I do have
keep
a
it
beard.
pushing.
I have a beard though.
You have a beard?
Look it. Hey, peep this. Man. Hey, I told you. Look at that. That's right there.
What the? This doesn't mean that Corey get you. Yeah, Corey get you. Go back. Go down. Corey get you.
Alright, guys. That's it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Man, I enjoyed this video, man. It feels so good to bring back my OG console that I used to have.
Jesus is coming back soon, so stay tuned. And make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe.
Nah. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. And I'll catch
see you all in the next video.